Frageria californica, California Woodland Strawberry. About a foot tall, 3 feet wide, filtered sun to full shade, semi-dry. The berries are edible. This one specifically has white flowers in the spring, but specifically in regards to the berries, it's not as big as the ones you buy at the grocery store. They're kind of smaller, but they are edible and delicious. So what this Frageria will do is it sends out these runners. So it does have a creeping habit, but it is nice if you want to cover a large area and if you want food in your garden. Satureja chandlerii, San Miguel savory. About a foot to a foot and a half tall by 2 feet wide. White flowers in the spring. Requires minimal water. Filtered sun to partial shade. The leaves are edible. Kind of has a minty taste to it. More like spearmint. And unlike traditional mint, this is not invasive. There's also another variety of this called Yerba Buena, Satureja douglasii, where the leaves on this specifically are kind of a little rough, slightly, but the leaves on the Yerba Buena are smoother. Either way, they will both work fine in your garden. Great as a ground cover, definitely great for food. You can put this in an area where you can pick off a leaf as you leave for the end of the day and you want a little minty flavored breath. Vitis californica, Rogers red grape. If you've got the room for this grapevine, I highly recommend it. It does produce edible, kind of dark purple, burgundy colored grapes. It is deciduous, however, that's kind of nice. Now, the one thing with this is once it's in full fruit, you will get some bees, which I personally don't mind. So this whole plant that you see here has actually grown from this one trunk.